In what ratio must a grocer mix two varieties of pulses costing rupees 15 and rupees 20 per kg respectively so as to get the mixture worth 16.5 rupees per kg? There are two varieties of pulses. One is the cheaper variety, another is the costlier variety. So we have been given the prices of the cheaper and the costlier variety. So the cheaper variety costs 15 rupees, that's 1500 paise, and the costlier variety costs rupees 20, that's 2000 paise. And we have been given the cost of the mixture, that is the mean price, right? And that's 1650 paisa, 1650 paisa. So we have on the right hand side the difference between the cheap price and the mean price, and that's 1650 minus 1500, and that will be equal to 150. And we have the difference of D and M on the left hand side, that's 2000 minus 1650, and that's equal to 350. So the quantity of the cheaper variety over quantity of the costlier variety is equals to, the ratio is equals to 350 by 150. So these zeros get cancelled out. What we have is 35 by 15, and 5 7s are 35 and 5 3s are 15. So 7:3 is the ratio of the varieties of pulses to be mixed. Find the ratio in which rice at rupees 7.20 a kg be mixed with rice at rupees 5.70 a kg to produce a mixture worth rupees 6.30 a kg. Well, let us first find out what has been asked. So it says that find the ratio in which rice at 7.2 rupees per kg be mixed with rice at 5.7 rupees per kg. So basically this question asked you what is the ratio of the quantity of the costlier rice upon quantity of the cheaper rice, right? What is the ratio of rice at 7.2 rupees per kg to rice at 5.7 rupees per kg? Now we have been given the rate of the cheaper rice, which is 5.7 rupees, and the rate of the costlier rice, that's 7.2 rupees per kg. And we have also been given the mixture's price, that is the mean price. So M is equals to 6.3. So on the right hand side I have the difference between C and M, and that is 0.6. And on the left hand side I have the difference between D and M, and that is 0.9. So according to the alligation rule, we have QC by QD, that's the ratio of the quantity of cheaper upon the quantity of the costlier, and that's equals to 0.9 divided by 0.6, and that's 9 by 6, and that if we divide both the numerator and denominator by 3, we get 3 by 2. So to get QD by QC, we just have to invert this. We take the reciprocal, and that becomes 2 by 3. So 2:3 is the ratio. Option B is the correct answer. In what ratio must water be mixed with milk costing rupees 12 per liter to obtain a mixture worth rupees 8 per liter? Now we have been given the cost of milk, and that's 12 rupees per liter. And we are mixing water with milk. Now we need the cost of water. What is the cost of water? Well, you get all water for free. So water's cost is 0 rupees per liter. Now with this we will solve our question. So water is cheaper than milk. So we have the cheaper rate is equals to 0 and the costlier rate is equals to 12. The mean rate is given, the mean price, and that's 8. So we have on the left hand side 12 minus 8, and that's 4. On the right hand side I have 8 minus 0, and that's 8. So according to alligation rule, the quantity of the cheaper upon the quantity of the costlier will be equals to 4 by 8, and that's 1 by 2. Now what is asked? What is the ratio of water and milk? So water is cheaper, milk is costlier, so we want QC by QD. and that we got as 1/2. So option A is the correct answer. The cost of type 1 rice is 15 rupees per kg and type 2 rice is 20 rupees per kg. If both type 1 and type 2 are mixed in the ratio of 2:3, what is the price per kg of the mixed variety? So the cheaper type of rice is type 1, and that is at 15 rupees per kg. So we have C is equals to 15, and the costlier rate is 20 rupees per kg. So D is equals to 20. Now we want the mixed varieties price. Let it be M. So on the right hand side I have M minus 15, and on the left hand side I have D minus M. Right. So according to alligation rule, the quantity of the cheaper upon the quantity of the costlier is equals to, I have D minus M upon M minus 15. Oh, we didn't put the value of D here, so this should be 20 minus M. So again this is 20 minus M, right? So, and this ratio is given to us. QC by QD is basically 2:3. So this is 2/3. So if we solve this, I have 20 times 3 is 60 minus 3m is equals to 2m minus 2 times 15 is 30. So we have 60 plus 30, that's 90, is equals to 2m plus 3m, that's 5m. So therefore m is equal to 90/5, and that's 18. So the price per kg of the mixed variety is 18 rupees per kg, and that is option A.